Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this look that I just kind of got by just doing my makeup. I really didn't plan for this look, but I love how it came out. I really don't know what to call it, but it's a beautiful purple look. I use my Norvina palette. I love that palette so much. It be giving me the bomb. All them videos lately that I've been doing my looks with Norvina. So I don't know what to call this. Like I said, I love this highlight. Like I'm so feeling it. Wow, y'all are bomb for this, cause like, look, we're gonna get straight into this video, cause you know I don't want to be blabbering. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the Emmy Gang. Like, come join the family or whatever. And if you've been here, what's good, boo? I see you. So let's get into this video and let's see how I came up with this look. And I'm feeling these curls. Y'all can check this video. I'm about to actually post it in a few, so that'll be up first. You can check out how I got these curls and whatever. And let's get into this video. So I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm gonna leave a video right up above so you can see how I do my brows. But I start off with my Maybelline primer, and I'm using this Egyptian glow spray. This spray is bomb, y'all. I'm gonna leave her IG down below. You guys need to go and get that. My bottle is dead almost done. I'll be dragging it, but I don't care. I love it. So Norvina's in the building. I love Norvina, as everybody knows. I'm always using Norvina. So I'm using my Urban Decay eye primer, and I'm priming these lids because we need this makeup to set. And I'm using my fingers to, of course, spread the product out. I'm gonna list the products, but I'm going in with this neutral shade into my crease to basically get a transition color, and I'm going in with this deep purple, I believe. I don't have the palette in front of me, but I'll list everything in the description bar. But I'm going with this purple into my outer crease, my outer lid, and I'm just blending that product all the way out, making sure that it's nice and, you know, looking good. So I'm taking this beautiful shimmery purple. I love this purple. I don't know why, like, it's just so pretty. And I'm putting that on my lid and whatever, and I just like how pretty it just looks, and it's so easy to go on. You know, the colors are just like, they nice. So I'm blending everything together, making sure it look good. And I'm going in with my palette from Amazon, and I'm going in with this purple because it just wasn't deep enough to me. Like, I needed more of a oomph. So I'm just adding this purple. So I'm blending that into my outer lid and into my crease. And I'm just blending everything, making sure everything look good. You know, you don't want to have harsh lines. You don't want to have... You want everything to just go together. So I'm putting this color into my brow bone. So I'm doing my eyeliner. Does anybody else hold their breath while they're doing eyeliner? Because I know I do. So I'm using my Sephora foundation. Listen, I'm gonna leave a link so you can see how I do my foundation routine. I mean, it's basically the same every time I do my videos. So I'm just blending this all out. So I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm applying that and blending it all out. Whatever, gotta conceal them bags. So I'm contouring, you know, gotta snatch some cheeks and that forehead, because you know my forehead is about the size of you know, a 65-inch TV. I'm of course setting under my jawline because, you know, I'm getting a little bit of weight, so I'm trying to cover up that fat. So of course I'm snatching this nose because this nose is just, you know, it's snatchable, and I'm just getting it. So, and I'm dusting that powder away, you know, and I'm adding more setting powder under my eyes to basically set my eyes more and define my nose as well, because like I like when my nose looks super, I'm not gonna say super perfect, but I like when it looks super snatched. Okay. So I'm doing my mascara to prep for my lashes. And whatever. I did my lashes off camera. Because those are very difficult to do on camera. But actually, I'm going to be bringing y'all a lash tutorial soon. Trust me. Because my lash line is coming out this year. So I definitely will be bringing a tutorial. I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And I'm applying it on my lower lash line. Because I want my colors to pop. And I'm basically going over that with the same colors that I use on the top. In the same order. And I'm blending that all out, of course. Gotta make sure it looks good. So I'm taking that shimmery purple. And I'm adding that to the inner corner of my lower lash line. And now I'm extending my eyeliner. And I'm giving myself a little, I guess you want to call it a wing on the inner corner. I'm going to call it a wing because I don't know what else to call it. So... making sure I look good, change my shirt and all that, because that red shirt was hideous. It was really hideous. So I'm lining my lips with this brown lip liner. I don't know the brand of it, but I just know that this lip liner, I get it from the beauty supply store. It'd be like $1.50, $1.49, rounding it off. And I love it because the way it glides on my lips, it just be so perfect. So, of course, NYX is in the building. They butter glosses. I love them so much. This is Tiramisu. The other one, I'm not sure the name, but I will put it in the description bar down below. But these two lip combos with that brown lip liner is my favorite, and it's my go-to. I have a nude lip go-to, and I have a pink lip go-to, and this is just it. So, of course, I'm making sure my lips look good, and I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter. I love it. You can't really see it on the camera. Sorry about that, but you can definitely see it on my face, and it's gleaming. It gives off a purple undertone with gold as well, so that's why I love it a lot. Like, it be making my makeup pop. Like, hello. So, highlighter, of course, to my Cupid's bow. Let's talk about the Cupid's bow. I think I'm gonna plump up my Cupid's bow like Aaliyah J did. What y'all think? I mean, it don't really matter what y'all think. I'm doing it anyway. I don't like the fact that my Cupid's bow is not as deep as I want it to be. So I definitely think that, you know, the little Botox in there. Let me stop, but no, seriously though. Let's take this robe off, shimmy on out of it. Yes, boo. Let's get it off. Throw it to the side. Checking for these curls. If you want to check out how I got these curls, I'm going to leave the link up above, and you can actually see how I got these beautiful curls. And I use the Marcel iron, so it just gives these beautiful curls that just fall in place. Alright, y'all, so thank you for watching this video, y'all, and I want to give a big thank you to all my subbies. Like, I dead love y'all. Y'all dead be supporting me. And don't forget to hit a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna check y'all in my next video. Peace.